Exam Dost, success का host Sainik Navodaya में topmost.
Hello and welcome everybody to the practice session on coding decoding, intelligence and mental ability. The first thing is that you should have the alphabet and the numbering of alphabet from the left side as well as from the right side. You have to by heart, you have to learn the numbering of the English alphabetical series. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, J is 10, so on and so forth. We also discussed in the earlier classes this basic trick to remember. E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, Y is 25. So if you just remember each OT, then you will be able to work out the rest of the alphabets also. If somebody asks you what is the number of Q, then you can remember that Q comes after O, O, P, Q. O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17. This is how you can work out these numbers quickly in the exam. Similarly, you have to do the reverse way also, where Z will become alphabet numbered 1, Y will be 2, X will be 3, W will be 4, V will be 5, U will be 6, T will be 7, S will be 8, R will be 9, Q will be 10, P is 11, O is 12, N is 13, M is 14, L is 15, K is 16, J is 17, I is 18, H is 19, G is 20, F is 21, E is 22, D is 23, C is 24, B is 25, A is 26. And you also have to remember the relative comparison. For example, from the left side A is number 1, from the right side Z is number 1. From the left side D is number 4, from the right side W is number 4. So you have to remember the relative comparison also. From the left side J is number 10, from the right side Q is number 10. So this is a relative comparison which you should actually be focusing upon. Very important. If you by heart them, you will be able to solve a lot of time in the examination. And if not, then you have to actually write it, do it in the exam and then find the answer. In the exam, what happens are we are in a hurry, we are anxious, we tend to do errors in the exam hall. So it's better you write and practice this. It will help you to solve the questions faster and quicker. Let's move on to some questions. Says if in a certain coding language figure is coded as 6, 9, 7, 21, 18 and 5, then how will matrix be coded? So let us understand the coding. What is figure? Now according to the English alphabetical series, alphabet F is numbered 6, I is numbered 9, G is numbered 7, U is numbered 21, R is numbered 18 and E is numbered 5. So basically the letters have been replaced by their respective numbers to give a code. Similarly for matrix, we will replace the letters with their respective numbers according to the English alphabetical series. M will be 13, A will be 1, T will be 20, R is 18, I is 9. So based on this, we can go by the option number B as our answer, where X is 24. Answer is option number B. So this is the example of basic direct alphabet to number coding. Next question. If in a certain coding language gesture is coded as 7, 5, 19, 20, 21, 18 and 5, then how will the word break be coded? So I see that the gesture, again, this is a similar pattern of coding. The code they have taken, G is 7, E is 5, S is 19, T is 20. So they have taken the respective alphabetical numbers. U is 21, R is 18. It's just that numbers are written together, we might get confused, but if on a closer look we can identify that they are the letters with their respective numbers. So they are asking to find the code for break. The B stands for 2, R is 18, E is 5, A is 1, K is 11. Answer is option number C. Moving on to the next question, again a similar pattern where the letters have been replaced by numbers. Mango. The code for mango is 16, 4, 17, 10 and 18. Now let us identify this code. Actually, actual value of M is 13, but they have taken here is 16, means they have added 3. 13 plus 3 will give 16. Actual numbering of A is 1, but they have taken 4, means they have added 3 to it. N is 14. They have added 3 and given it a code of 17. G now is numbered 7. They have added 3 to G and they have taken its code as 10. O is numbered 15. They have added 3 and they have taken the code as 18. So we see that actual numbers have been added or increased by 3 and then given the respective code, and now they are asking that accordingly what will be the code for peer. P is numbered 16, add 3 will become 19. E is numbered 5, add 3 will become 8. A is numbered 1, add 3 will become 4. R is 18, add 3 becomes 21. Answer is option number A. If in a certain coding language chemistry is coded as 385491297, then how will the word polity be coded? Let us write down the terms first. The alphabetical order number, this is 3. This is given, H is 8. So 3 becomes 3, 8 becomes 8, 5 becomes 5. M is 13. They have added the digits 1 plus 3. They have given the code 4. I is 9. Remains the same. S is 19. They have added 1 plus 9. This is 10. 1 plus 0. This is 1. T is 20. They have added the digits 2 plus 0. This will be 2. R is 18. 1 plus 8. It is 9. Y is 25. 2 plus 5. The code is 7. So this is how they have done the coding. For a single digit alphabet, they have kept it same. For the 2 digit, they have added the digit until the time they get a single digit. For example, 19, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 is 1 plus 0. So they have kept on adding till they get a single digit number. And that is how they have achieved the code. Let's do the same thing with polity. P16, add the digits 1 plus 6. It will be 7. O is 15, add the digits 1 plus 5. It is 6. L is 12, add the digits 1 plus 2. It will be 3. I is 9, remains the same. T is 20, 2 plus 0. It will be 2. Y is 25, add the digits 2 plus 5, it is 7. So the code is 7639227. Answer is option number A. Question says, in a certain coding language, unstoppable is coded as 14905612225. Then how will the word obstacle be coded? TOPABLE. So the code for U, now U is 21, and out of that 21 they have taken only the ones place as a code. So the code of U is 1. N is 14, they have taken only the ones place 4 as the code. S is 19, they have taken only the ones place digit 9 as the code. T is 20, they have taken only the ones place 0 as the code. O is 15, they have taken only the ones place as the code 5. P is 16, they have taken ones place 6 as the code. A is 1, so they have taken only 1. B is 2, they have taken 2. L is 12, they have taken ones place 2. E is 5, they have taken 5. Similarly, we have to find the code for obstacle. O is 15, we'll take the ones place 5 as the code. B is 2, single digit number, so we'll take 2 as the code. S is 19, we'll take ones place 9 as the code. T is 20, we'll take ones place 0 as the code. A is 1, we'll take 1 as the code. C is 3, we'll take 3 as the code. L is 12, we'll take 2 as the code. E is 5, we'll take 5 as the code. Our answer is 529013225. Answer is option number A. Moving on to the next question. If in a certain coding language, publication is coded as 11, 6, 25, 15, 18, 24, 26, 7, 18, 12 and 13, then how will radian be coded? So publication, so code for publication P they have taken as 11. So code of U they have taken is 6. Code of B they have taken is 25. But wait here. Now we know that P actually is 16 if we count from the left side. But if we count from the right side, it becomes 11. So it means the coding is done from the opposite side. Generally we take the numbering from the left side, but from the right side, if we code P becomes 11, U becomes 6. It means the coding is done in a reverse manner. So the code for radian will be just go by the reverse manner. And now if we go by the reverse manner, the code of R will be from the right side, it becomes 9, A becomes 26, D becomes 23, I becomes 18, A becomes 26, and N becomes 13. Our answer is option number D. In a certain coding language, reason is coded as 782935 and byte is coded as 6148. Then how will the word station be coded? Let us write down first to understand the question better. Reason, REASON. So the code for R is 7. The code for E is 8. The code for A is 2. The code for S is 9. The code for O is 3. And the code for N is 5. And they say byte is coded as 6148. Now I see actually that number R is 18, but here they have coded as 7. There is no relation actually. E is numbered 5, it is coded as 8. A is numbered 1, it is coded as 2. It means it is a case of a direct coding. And for direct coding, you take the respective. So R will be taken as 7, E will be taken as 8, A will be taken as 2, S will be taken as 9, O will be taken as 3, N will be taken as 5, B is taken as 6, I is taken as 1, T as 4, and E as 8. And now they're asking the code for station. So there's no +1, -1, there's no alphabetical order. We just have to go by the direct substitution. So the code for S will be taken from here, it is 9. The code for T will be 4. The code for A will be 2. The code for T will be 4. The code for I will be 1. The code for O will be 3. The code for N will be 5. Answer is 9424135. That answer is option number C. A case of direct substitution or direct coding. In a certain coding language, voice is coded as 83649. So the code of V is 8, O is 3, I is 6, C is 4, E is 9. Now they are asking to find the code of noise. Here the code of O will be 3, code of I will be 6, and code of E will be 9. So my answer should be where 3, 6 and 9 should be present, and N and S are new alphabets, so their code should also be non-repeatable. That code should also be other than 8 and other than 4. So that will be to take the two new digits. So 3, 6, 9 should be at the second, third and the fifth position. So 3, 6 and 9 are at the second, third and fifth position. So option B cannot be, and the code for N should be a new number and S should also be a new number. If you look at the option number 1, they have taken the code for N as 2
विच कैन बी टेकन बिकॉज एन हमारा पहले रिपीट नहीं हुआ है, वॉइस में नहीं आया, मतलब उसका कोड भी जो होगा वो नया होगा. एंड एस को उन्होंने 4 लिया है, सो एस 4 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि सी 4 है. इट मीन्स दिस कैन नॉट बी 4, सो ऑप्शन 1 कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. लेट्स गो टू ऑप्शन सी. 3, 6 और 9 सेम है. इन्होंने n को 8 लिया है जो कि नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि v का कोड 8 है, सो c इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ n का ऑप्शन नंबर डी, n को 2 ले सकते हैं और s को 5 ले सकते हैं, सो बोथ विल बी न्यू. क्योंकि n और s रिपीट नहीं हुए तो उनके नंबर्स भी रिपीट नहीं होने चाहिए. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. If in a certain coding language, music is coded as 65271, noise is coded as 23497, nick is coded as 7583, and me is coded as 64, then how will the word sonem be coded? So the code for music, six five 271, noise 23497, nick 7583, and me 64. Now here the respective words are not the codes. Actually we have to work out the common codes. So for that let us compare the first and the second word. If you see the first and the second word, S and I are common, and the common numbers are 2 and 7. It means the code for S and I are either 2 or 7. We cannot say with 100% assurance. Let us again compare 1, 2 and 3. You see the first word music, I is common. Second word I is common. Third word also I is common. So in the first, second and third word the code I is common, so as that number should also be common. If you see in the first word there is 7, in the second word there is 7, and in the third word also there is 7. It means it confirms that the code for I is 7. And if the code for I is 7, then S is also repeated, that 2 is also repeated, so code of S is 2. Now those we have found the code, let us cancel them. Now you see that in the first and in the third the word C is common, and since the word C is common, we can find out the code common, which is 5. It means C is 5. Let's cancel C. Now you can see that in the first and fifth M is common, and in the first and fifth the number 6 is common. It means M is 6. And now in the first word music, all the alphabets we have identified. And since we have identified all the letters. So the remaining alphabet is U and the number is I. It means U is 1. Similarly, N is common in second and third, and the common number is 3. So N is 3. K is 8, because it is the only letter and only number left now. E is 4, which is common in second and fourth. And O is 9, as it is the only alphabet and only number left. Now question is asking the code of SONEM, SONEM. Code for S is 2. Code for O is 9. Code for N is 3. Code for E is 4. And code for M is 6. Answer is 29346. Now this also you have to find out, because they have not given this in the proper order. 29364, it is present in option number B. If in a certain coding language, what is coded as 47, 17, 3, 41? And she is coded as 39, 17, 11. So a W is actually 23, and they have taken 23 as 47. Means what they have done, they have multiplied by 2. 23 into 2 is 46, and then they have added 1 also, so it becomes 47. So that is the pattern. Every alphabet is multiplied by 2. For example, H is 8. 8 into 2 will become 16, and 16 plus 1 will be 17. Similarly, A is 1. 1 into 2 will be 2, and plus 1 will be 3. T is 20. Into 2 will be 40, and adding 1 will be 41. So this is the pattern. Let us find out the answer. Price. Now here P is 16 multiplied by 2 plus 1. It's 32, plus 1 will be 33. R is 18 multiplied by 2 is 36, plus 1 will be 37. I is 9 into 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. C is 3 into 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. E is 5 into 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 33, 37, 19, 7 and 11. Answer is option number A. If in a certain coding language A is 1, B is 3, C is 5 and so on, how will the code of Qt? A is 1. Now the actual value of A is 1. Multiply by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Subtract 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Code is 3. Multiply by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So what they have done is they have multiplied 2 and then subtracted 1. Similarly, C. Code is 5. That's 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So what they have done, they have multiplied the position of every number by 2 and then subtracted 1. Answer will be C. So C will become 3 multiplied by 2. 6 minus 1, it will be 5. U is 21 multiplied by 2. 42 minus 1. T is 20 multiplied by 2 is 40 minus 1. 39. E is 5 into 2 is 10 minus 1. Answer is 541, 39 and 9. Answer is option number B. In a certain coding language, polite is coded as 529367. Then how will the word way be coded? P. The code is 5 2 9 3 6 and 7. Now P is 16. 1 plus 6 is 7, but it is written at the end here. O is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6, but it written at the second last place. L is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3, written at the third last. So what they have done, they have added the digits of the number and then they have written in the reverse order. I is 9, written here. T is 20. 2 plus 0 is 2, that's written in the second place. And finally E is 5, so that is taken at the first place. So basically they have added the digit values and then finally they have changed the places in the reverse order. So way, we'll write it in the reverse order. Way. W is 23, so 2 plus 3 it is 5, but it will be written at the end. A is 1, it will come in the middle. Y is 25. 2 plus 5 it is 7, it will be written in the beginning. 715. Answer is option number C. If in a certain coding language ABCD is coded as 2468, so A is 1 coded as 2 multiplied by 2. B is 2 coded as 4 multiplied by 2. C is 3 coded as 6 multiplied by 2. D is 4 coded as 8, so multiplied by 2. So we can see that all the alphabets are multiplied by 2 to get the respective code. So F, G, H, I. F is 6. On multiplying by 2 becomes 12. G is 7. On multiplying by 2 it becomes 14. H is 8. On multiplying by 2 it becomes 16. I is 9. On multiplying by 2 it becomes 18. Answer is option number C.